If you spend a minute with me, I will teach you how I make these delicious okra chips. Good day. First thing to do is to make sure to wash the okra thoroughly. After washing the okra thoroughly, proceed to cutting it exactly how I'm cutting it. You can also cut it round and round, just cut it exactly how you like it, sha. After that, I now added my flour or flour as you may pronounce it. I added it bit by bit and I made sure to turn it thoroughly so that everything will be coated. After that, I proceeded to frying it. I added my groundnut oil into the pot and let it hot small before adding my okra. Just take a look at how I'm adding this okra, very good and table. After adding the okra, I fried it till it is crispy. Can you see how it is looking crispy and yummy? To overload the pot, I added everything once so that I can fry it sharp and go and enjoy myself. This okra chips is looking very inviting. At this moment, I couldn't hold myself anymore. Of course, I wanted it to be very sweet, so I had to pair it with this honey.